Okay, y'all, today we're going to talk about drop-off. Now, what is drop-off? It's a term used in the construction industry. I know it's also used in metal fabrication, and it's used in the sign and printing industry. It is the piece of material that you have left over after you've made the cut to use what you're going to need. So let's say, for example, you need a 12-foot piece of 2x4 to cut a 9-foot for something. You got 3 foot of 2x4 left over, so that's your drop-off. And this video is mostly for the people that's kind of getting into this stuff. I keep pretty much all of my drop off because you can still make stuff with it. For example, is this piece of I-beam, okay? So this is just about a 12-inch piece of I-beam that if we were to mill this piece of dunnage down, it can be mounted on it like this, and it can be used as a bench, okay? So just a prime example of how you can use drop off. This is a piece of C-channel from the stairs, obviously, but once again, you would not throw this type of material away because it could be used for something. We're going to be using it to fabricate like tables and chairs and different stuff for the shop. Now, when we talk about wood, this is not all of my wood drop off. I got actually quite a bit, but let's just take these fence pickets, for example. Let's say when I was doing this wall, I get up to here, I only need 18 inches. Well, it's senseless to cut from a whole fresh piece of wood when you got all of this drop off laying around, so you can make your cuts from that. This is my drop off from when I did the sheathing up top. Now I'm going to be able to use this on the inside wall. So I keep all of my drop off. So if you was to go into like any metal fabrication shops such as Joe's, you'll see they'll have bins and different like frames that hold sheets of metal and stuff like that, because metal fabricators, they love to keep their drop off so that they can use small pieces for maybe a small project. It might be a big project where a small piece is needed. And I'm going to show you an example in the print industry. So this is our standard wrap vinyl, okay? And it's in the indigo blue that we like for our company brand, which is blue. And this is the roll, but this is what's a small piece that came off of the roll. I'm not going to throw this away because I can cut decals from this. I can, if I need to cover like a little small area. So, and you'll be amazed at how much you can stretch your materials if you just hang on to your drop off. So that's it, Lingo and Lexicon, Word of the Week Wednesday.